to replace the bulb, you need to remove this housing first. So to remove the housing, you can just shake it, make it loose, and then try to press rear or press front and check which size easier to be lifted. And in my case, the rear is easier to be lifted. So this side is difficult to lift. Even you press rearward, it's quite difficult to press outward. And this side, you see, it's much easier to press outward. So you just push it front and press this size, so it's come off. So you can see this is the little bit spring, the plastic spring size, and this side is just kind of a catch. So it's when you install, you just put this side first and push forward, and that's it. So sometimes, in this case, like this, so sometimes somebody may install it this way. If that's the case, so you may have to push rearward and lift this side.